In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a macro in Microsoft Word 365. If you often repeat the same steps, like formatting text or applying specific settings, recording a macro can save you time and effort by automating those actions with a single click or keyboard shortcut. To begin, open Microsoft Word and make sure your document is ready. A macro records the actions you perform, so it's important to plan what you want to automate before you start recording. Once you're ready, go to the View tab at the top of the screen. In the toolbar, look for the Macros option, then click on it and select Record Macro from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear asking you to name your macro. Choose a clear and descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. Avoid using spaces in the name and keep it simple. In the same window, you'll also see options to assign your macro to a button or a keyboard shortcut. If you choose the button option, the macro will be added to the Quick Access toolbar. If you prefer a faster method, select the keyboard option and assign a shortcut combination that is easy to remember. After setting up the name and assignment, click OK to start recording. From this point on, Microsoft Word will capture every action you perform. Go ahead and carry out the steps you want to automate, such as changing font styles, adjusting spacing, or applying formatting. Be careful to perform only the necessary actions because everything you do during this time will be included in the macro. When you're finished, go back to the View tab, click on Macros again, and choose Stop Recording. Your macro is now saved and ready to use. To run your macro, simply use the method you assigned earlier. If you chose a keyboard shortcut, press that combination. If you added it to the Quick Access toolbar, click the corresponding button. Word will automatically repeat the recorded actions, helping you complete tasks much faster. As a helpful tip, test your macro on a sample document first to make sure it works exactly as expected. If something doesn't look right, you can record a new macro or edit the existing one for better results. And that's it. Recording macros in Microsoft Word 365 is a powerful way to boost your productivity and simplify repetitive tasks. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.